In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable shipping option ready for your customers at checkout. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open the settings panel using the gear icon in the lower left corner. From there, head into the selling section. This is where all of your commerce tools live. Next, open shipping. This page is your hub for creating, editing, and organizing the ways you deliver physical products. Choose Add Shipping option to create your first method. You'll see an option to define your own rates. Select that so you're in full control of what customers pay. Squarespace lets you choose among flat rate, weight-based, or carrier-calculated methods. Flat rate is the simplest. Great if your packaging and costs are consistent. Weight-based works well if you've entered accurate product weights and want pricing to scale. Carrier calculated is ideal when you prefer live rates from carriers, though it typically requires additional setup and the right plan. For this walkthrough, choose flat rate. Give your shipping option a clear customer-friendly name like standard shipping or expedited shipping, and consider adding an expected delivery window in the title so expectations are set up front. Now set your shipping rates. You can add a per order fee, which is a single charge applied once per checkout, and a per item fee, which multiplies by the number of items in the cart. Use these together to cover both fixed and variable costs. If you have extra expenses like special packing materials, click to add a handling fee. You'll also see a markup per item field, which is a simple way to bake in a small buffer for things like surcharges or seasonal price swings without changing your base product prices. Next, choose where this option applies. Select the regions you'll ship to. You can enable a broad rest of world region if your policy is global, or target specific countries to fine-tune pricing and availability by market. Be thoughtful here. Clarity on where you ship helps avoid failed checkouts and support requests. When you're happy with the name, rates, fees, and regions, click Save. Your new method is now active and will appear to customers who meet the region criteria during checkout. That's it. You've created a clear shipping option on Squarespace with straightforward pricing and accurate availability. As a best practice, preview your checkout to confirm the rates display the way you expect, and consider adding additional methods later, like an express flat rate or region-specific option, so customers can choose what works best for them.